Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to reverse money on Capitec App. First thing first, open the Capitec App on your device and log in with your username and PIN. Now, from the menu, tap Transact to go to the Transact section. Now you need to find the Debit Orders option in the list. Enter your secret remote PIN to access your debit order history and scroll through your transaction history and select a specific debit order you want to reverse. Enter the reason for disputing the debit order and make sure it's clear and accurate. Then read the terms and conditions and tap Accept to submit your reversal request. After submitting, Capitec will process your request and notify you of the outcome. Keep in mind that reversal times may vary depending on the bank and the merchant involved. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.